Okay, today I want to show you a demo with generative AI agent on OCI. Okay, so you can see on my screen my demo agent that is ready here. I can click on the tools here, and you can see that I have two tools. The first tool is a SQL tool. Okay, it means using this SQL tool, the agent is able to query the database of an application. Okay. My database here is an autonomous ATP AI. Okay. That is ready in Paris. And in order to use the SQL tool from the agent, I had to create a connection. Okay. So here I am in Chicago, my DB is in Paris, and I created a connection to my DB from Chicago. After that, with this agent, okay, I created the SQL tool, and during the creation, I gave the connection to the DB. Okay, so super easy. Just to help here, this tool, we give the description of the table with the field that where we want to do query from the agent. Okay, so very simple. I have another tool here, a RAG tool. This RAG tool, the goal is to store some policies from human resource department in order to be able to do queries on the documentation. Okay. Then this RAG tool is using a knowledge DB. This knowledge database was created in Chicago. This is DocDB AI here. And in fact, DocDB AI is linked to a bucket, okay, bucket demo AI, where I put here the policy manual. I found the policy manual on internet, okay, for an institute, no matter. And so this is okay now. The agent can sure use the Metalama model by default, but as two tools, a SQL tool to do query in a DB and a RAG tool to do query in the documentation of the application. Okay. Just a test now. Generative AI, you see here, please list all employees. Then the agent did a select from AMP in the ATP. What about sexual harassment? Then the agent did a query in the documentation of the RAG tool, and then he used the Azure policies. Okay. Now this is on OCI. Imagine I want to use that with the chatbot on another place. And for example, I can use a chatbot in a relation with an application. And when this application, the chatbot will know where is the cursor in the screen of the application, and will be able to have the context and to answer a question at the same time from the customer. Okay. Just to have a look at that, I did here a simple Python lab notebook. So when you want to do a test, Python notebook is so nice. And first, I need to do the configuration of the agent. So the agent endpoint, and then I give a file in order to have the security from OCI to be able to connect to the agent. It was okay. Test of the agent, okay, it was okay. After that, So what you need to understand is that here I am going to use Oracle Agent Development Kit, ADK. Okay, so super simple. In order, I can use the agent showed before. Okay. Now I run a chat with Gradio. It's running an interface. It's running and can connect. And as you see, I ask the same question. List all employee. So the agent did a select on ATP and gave me the list of employees in the employees table. What about sexual harassment? The agent used the RAG tool, okay, in order to do a query on the policy document that I have uploaded in the knowledge DB for the RAG tool. Okay, so very simple. As you can see, an agent with two tools here, a SQL tool, a RAG tool, and I can call this agent using Oracle Agent Development Kit. So, as you can see, it's very, very simple to increase the power of this agent with this kind of tool. We can add other tool on the agent, maybe in other video. Thank you for your attention.